Alright guys, here's how to transfer data from your Switch 1 to your Switch 2. Now I'm assuming that you skipped the step in the intro whenever you were setting up your Switch 2 and now you want to transfer the data, or maybe you're still in the setup screen of the Switch 2 and you want to transfer the data. This video is going to work for both scenarios. Now if you're still in the setup screen of the Switch 2, just go ahead and press transfer data. But if you skip that part and you still want to transfer the data, what you want to do is head over to system settings down here, press on it, and then you want to go down to where it says data here. Just look for data management right here. Press A, and then move down to where it says save data and press where it says transfer your saved data. Press in there, and instead of send, we're gonna press receive. So move to the side and press receive. And then in here it's telling you that you need to sign into your Nintendo account that you have on your Switch 1. So go ahead and press OK. So if you haven't signed in, you have to do that here on the main page. You could just go over to the top left, select profiles in there, and then just go down to sign in to Nintendo account. And now sign in using the same account that you have on your Switch 1. Now, once you sign in with your account, it's gonna give you this screen right here, and I am covering up my email, but it is pretty much gonna have you confirm your account, and then you're gonna go ahead and press where it says link, and then it's gonna say that you successfully signed into your account. Just press OK. Now guys, if you're only interested in getting the games that you already had, you could just go down to virtual game cards and you could download any virtual game you already had purchased in the past from here. Okay, as you can see, I have a bunch of games in here, but if you want to transfer the data from the Switch 1 to the Switch 2, now we're gonna go back to system settings, we're gonna go down to data management, and then we're gonna go ahead and press transfer your saved data, and this time we're gonna put receive saved data, and this time it's gonna let you go through this screen. Now it's time to head over to the Switch 1, and on your Switch 1, what you want to do is head over to settings as well down here. Now make sure that you do have the latest update available. So if your system is not up to date, just go down to system and make sure you have the latest system update. And after you do that, you want to go up to where it says data management in here. You want to go down to where it says transfer your saved data. Then you want to press A on it, and this time we're going to put send saved data to another console. So go ahead and press on it, select the user that you're using, which in this case is going to be that one for me. And now you guys want to select which data you want to send over to your new console. I'm going to select all saved data, and then I'm going to press next. And now it's telling you to place this console next to your other console. So let's go ahead and put the Switch 2 on search mode one more time, and now we have to wait for them to find each other, guys. Just wait a couple seconds in here. As long as they are close to each other, it shouldn't take long before they find each other. And there you have it. The Switch 1 already found the Switch 2, and now the transferring is starting. As you can see, there's a progress bar in here. Just make sure you keep these consoles close, and if you need to, even connect them to an outlet so they don't run out of battery. Now just make sure you use the original Switch power cables for both consoles, because using the wrong cables could actually mess up this process right here. And there you guys have it. The transfer has finished, and now you can press OK on your Switch 2 as well as on your Switch 1, and you are done. You have your data, and now you could download your games and play your games from wherever you left off. Now keep in mind that if you were doing the transfer from the setup screen whenever you were setting up the Switch 2, then you will need to connect this to the power outlet. You're not going to be able to do it without connecting the Type-C cable that goes down here, but it's very important that you use the original power outlet. Use the one that came with the Switch 1 for the Switch 1, and use the one that came with the Switch 2 for the Switch 2 in order to do this process. But there you guys have it, how to transfer data from the Switch 1 to the Switch 2. If this video helped you out, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.